Hey, welcome back everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now this is where things get seriously exciting for tokens like SEI crypto, because we've already identified the top fundamentals here which should give it some long-term pump-a-mental. We've already identified that. So with this crash in mind, what is stopping us from dollar cost averaging? It's coming down to our own psychology, our mental resilience, our emotions here that always invalidates our logic. So we've already kind of gone through this token, we've had a look at the token, we understand sort of what the token entails now and its insane potential with its top tier technology and things like that. So we're going to talk about SEI, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you're new here. I want to talk about SEI because we're finally seeing a market correction here for SEI coin, and we were talking about it not too long ago, but some very key levels of resistance, support. What happens if this token dollar costs goes into a DCA territory, and how this kind of separates sort of noobs from real advanced traders and hodlers out there in the crypto space. So currently SEI is trading at $0.6 on the month. We're still up by 67%. On the week we're down by 16%. On the day we're down by 10%. So we're seeing red in the market, guys. We're starting to see a bit of fear kind of come back. We've still got greedy markets overall, but we're starting to feel a bit of doubt. We're starting to question ourselves. Are we actually going to see a $50,000 Bitcoin anytime soon? So we are seeing a correction in the market. We know that's true. SEI has still got a $1.455 billion market capital. Guys, if you're still watching these SEI videos, drop a comment, hit a like, get yourself down below into the Discord channel. Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, right down below, 21,000 members Discord. So let's just talk about what is actually happening with SEI coin here. We can see multiple times there's been key resistance at around the $0.87 price range, which does, it's going to be a big target again, right? Getting back to that 0.87 is of course a big target again for SEI cryptocurrency. But we're sitting here on the 4-hour time frame, and what I just want to quickly identify is that we've got massive support level at $0.58. So this is potentially a good time to buy. Remember, nothing is financial advice, but why would you be chasing the green on a coin like SEI? When we look at the Bollinger Bands, why would you be buying the very tops like 0.86, 0.86 or 0.75 in the run or 0.63 in the run? We're now at 0.60. We've got a bit of a downtrend. We could potentially see more downward momentum, but this is an opportunity to now potentially get in. Like, this is where I see it. I'm going to buy some SEI now, 31%. I'm going to go to MEXC in a moment and grab some. I don't know how much, but I'm going to get some SEI because I've seen a 30% correction. What I can also see is looking at the relative strength index, which is a very important indicator, which correlates tightly with, consumer behavior, the sentiment in the market. But we can see we've hit this oversold position on the 4-hour time frame. And it's been a long time since SEI has came down to this sub 30 RSI on the 4-hour time frame. It doesn't do it very often. It's been 1 month exactly, and the last time was actually over here. So if we just monitor these 3 oversold positions, let's take 4. We've got 4 oversold positions that we have monitored now, and I just want to show you why this is so important, guys, to be looking at this sort of stuff. It's because these are the oversold positions. This is where the market's telling you, don't buy me. This is too risky, yeah? If you buy, I'm going to crash. So we can see if you bought this oversold level, yes, you would have lost a bit of money if you held. But if you bought this oversold level in October, it went from 0.09 to 0.01. Not a huge move, but you could argue from there it rallied like crazy. This one is more relevant, however. This oversold position here is much more relevant in December at $0.23. The price then boomed, didn't it? It boomed. It did a 4x, and now we're seeing the first oversold position in a while. If we look at the daily time frame, we can also try identify what's going on with the RSI. It's not yet hit oversold. The last time it was in October. So we have to also bear in mind that this could be a fantastic buying opportunity. It's really hard to say. These aren't oversold positions anymore on the daily, but we can see that the RSI is sitting there kind of nearly at a bottom. It has broken this trend at 48 and it is sitting at 46. Could still come down more, guys. We don't know what Bitcoin's going to do, but I just want to share with you some key levels that I'm really looking at, and it comes down to a few areas of support. We've got the first one coming up at 0.58. I'm gonna put in a position on SEI, I think around here, and if you want to follow up on this, guys, make sure you get into my Discord down below, and I will share you with my entry and what can potentially happen here. So if you see this breakaway, we'll be looking at $0.546. Then if you break away again, major dollar cost average at 0.46 to $0.36. So I will try and buy up this position. I'm going to go in on a long position around here and sell at about $0.64. I just have a gut feeling about this one being good. Might not happen, but it could do. The fastest layer 1, parallelizing the EVM. Join the SEI community. So we know this coin now is good. Dex Screener's also got it integrated now. So that's a good bit of news there for more DeFi eyes on the project. And if you're a trader out there looking for more signals, make sure you check out my Patreon, guys and girls. 7 crypto legends packages left, as you can see. 5 crypto champion ones are left if you want over 500 trading signals per month, as well as inside news around straight to DEX launches, the next big pre-sales, loads of cool stuff, but mostly on the trading signals to help make you guys some money. Check out my Patreon, and of course become a sign up to MEXC. That's what I was going to say. If you want to take advantage of a no KYC exchange, and more trades equals more bonuses. So here is the coin SEI enabling mass adoption of digital assets. This one is absolutely one to be looking out for, in my opinion. I still think it's got 10 to 20x potential by the next crypto bull run. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you soon. Bye for now.